So I'm here in Liloan and this is Faro and we're gonna check out this restaurant. Come on.
Hello, welcome to Faro.
So we're gonna have the taste test here at Faro.
The Meatlovers Pizza. Oh, that's nice.
They're serving their house specialty, the Paella. Start my meal with some pochero. Here at Kalami Cebu. Yeah. Cool, and then afterwards we're gonna have some pizza, then some tapas, sisig, goat curry, the lengua, and of course the paella.
Hey guys, I'm Chow,
And I'm Tiffany.
and we'd like to invite everybody to join us here at Faro. Good food, good people, great view, and
Great vibe.
great vibe. Yeah, so
You want to try our paellas or Ruben's signature tapas? Welcome to Faro.
yes, we are located in
Liloan, right next to Paella.
Bagakay Point, and yeah. So once you see the lighthouse, you can see us.
Thank you.
Thank you. See ya.
So guys, there you have it. If you want to try one of the newest restaurants here in Liloan, come here to Faro. It's just near the Paella, and yeah, enjoy their many delicious specialties like the paella, they have pochero, they have sisig, they even have pizza for groups, and of course they even have coffee. So check them out and try it out and let me know what you think about this restaurant by hitting us in the comment. See ya!